Nigerians were shocked. Headlines went viral. 393 billion naira for just 1,477 street lights. That's about 266 million naira per street light. But is that really what happened? Or is there more to the story? In today's episode on History Tapestry, we will break down the truth behind this controversial budget scandal. In the 2024 budget, watchdog organizations like Budget and Tracker noticed something very strange. They found 393 billion naira worth of streetlight related projects inserted by the National Assembly into the budget. The number of projects was listed as 1,477. Now, when you divide 3,903 billion naira by 1,477, you get around 266 million naira, and that led people to believe that each streetlight project was getting 266 million naira, and the outrage began. But let's pause here. Are these actually 1,477 individual streetlights? The answer is no. According to budget analysis experts and even the fact-checking platform Dubawa, that is misleading. The 1,477 projects are not for individual poles of light. Instead, they are projects labeled as streetlight projects, and each project may contain multiple streetlights covering entire streets or communities. Also, the cost can vary. Some projects are 15 million, others are 30 million, some are even 60 million naira, depending on the location, the size, and whether solar technology is involved. So the viral claim that each streetlight cost 266 million naira is inaccurate. Now that we have cleared the air, here is the real issue. Why is the National Assembly inserting streetlight projects in the first place? Streetlight projects are not even the duty of the legislature. According to the Nigerian Constitution, specifically the 4th schedule, streetlights fall under the responsibility of local government, maybe the state government, but certainly not the federal lawmakers. This kind of insertion is called a constituency project, and it allows lawmakers to indirectly channel money to their own regions. And such things create room for lack of accountability, repeated projects, or inflated projects. It can even create room for ghost projects that never appear, and definitely corruption. So while this 266 million naira figure might be exaggerated, the bigger scandal is how lawmakers continue to insert local projects into the national budget, projects that the constitution never gave them power to handle. This story teaches us something deeper. As Nigerians, we need to look beyond viral numbers and start asking hard questions. Who inserted this project? Were they executed properly? Should we reform how constituency projects work? Because even if it's not 266 million naira per light, 393 billion is still a lot of money. And in a country where hospitals lack power and students sit on the floor, every naira matters. Let's stay awake, let's ask questions, and let's make our leaders accountable. When they steal from the budget, they don't just steal naira, they steal health, they steal light, they steal life. In Zamfara, a woman died in labor. The clinic had no power. In Ebonyi State, children trek 5 kilometers for clean water. In Ogun State, pupils study under trees while their senators built a classroom worth 80 million naira. When journalists ask questions, they are threatened. When citizens protest, they are ignored or even killed. The institutions meant to stop this, the EFCC, the National Assembly, the presidency, they are either complicit or they are quiet. But there is a new generation of young Nigerians who are asking hard questions. A new generation of young Nigerians who no longer clap for thieves in agbadas. We are opening the budget, we are tracking the project, we are demanding results. They thought they could hide behind paperwork. They thought the darkness will protect them. But now, it is the light that they never gave us that will expose them.